McAvoy twists the puck. Oh, Marchand takes a hit to the head from Provorov, and the Bruins are not too happy about that. We got a scuffle going on down by the pier. McDonald horse collaring Bergeron. Chara's in there looking for somebody's head to go bowling with.
Brad Marchand back in the Bruins lineup was impressive in his return, and he's trying to make a play here in the neutral zone and step inside Provorov as he taps the puck behind him. And if you watch the hit by Provorov here, I mean, he's just doing his job. He thinks I can take the body in this situation. It's not a late hit. The elbow's tucked. He's leading with the shoulder.
Watch both players reaching for the puck right there. Provorov does keep his arm in. It extends after contact. And Marchand, coming back from injury, had to leave the game. But this is not an egregious play. It's an unfortunate one.
Marchand has gone to the Boston locker room in just his second game back from an upper body injury.